Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products to help you make informed decisions for your skincare routine. Today, we're reviewing the TheraFace PRO Microcurrent Facial Device, an 8-in-1 face massager and sculpting tool that promises to target skin tightening, anti-aging, and wrinkle reduction. This is a unique device with light therapy and a range of customizable treatments, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The TheraFace PRO is a compact facial kit designed to offer a professional skincare experience at home. It's packed with multiple treatments, all in one device, including microcurrent therapy, light therapy, and facial massage options, aimed at rejuvenating your skin. It comes with easy-to-snap magnetic treatment rings that allow you to seamlessly switch between different treatments depending on your skin's needs for the day. The device is marketed to deliver healthier-looking, glowing skin in as little as 12 weeks with clinically proven benefits like lifting, firming, and reducing fine lines. Sounds pretty promising, right? But does it really deliver? Let's break it down. When I first introduced the TheraFace PRO into my skincare routine, I was impressed by how easy it was to use. The setup was straightforward, and switching between the magnetic treatment rings was effortless. It felt like a spa experience right at home. I tested it in different conditions, morning skincare routine, as well as in the evening to wind down after a long day. The device has a gentle yet effective feel on the skin, and the facial massage feature provided a nice, relaxing sensation. I particularly appreciated the light therapy options. The red light seemed to enhance the overall glow of my skin after use. Now, let's get into the specifics of the different treatments. The microcurrent therapy is designed to help with skin tightening. And while it's a subtle effect at first, over time, I did notice a slight improvement in the firmness of my skin. The device's light therapy worked well for calming my skin, particularly around the jawline area, where I sometimes experience tension. The fact that it adapts to your skin's needs on any given day, as suggested by the TheraBody app, is a huge plus, as it guides you through expert-led tutorials and personalized skincare routines. The biggest advantage of this device is that it combines multiple treatments into one, so you don't need to buy several different devices. That's a real space saver, especially if you're someone who likes to keep your beauty tools to a minimum. However, there are a few things worth mentioning. The TheraFace PRO isn't a quick fix. Results are gradual, and while it's not a miracle worker, the improvements are definitely noticeable over time. If you're looking for instant results, you might find the progress a bit slow. Additionally, the device is a bit on the pricier side, which might be a concern for those on a budget. Pros: multiple treatments in one device, saving you time and counter space. Easy to use with customizable routines via the TheraBody app. Light therapy feature calms skin and reduces tension, especially around the jawline. Clinically proven to enhance skin radiance and firmness over time. High quality build with a sleek, compact design. Cons: price may be a barrier for some, especially given that it's an investment. Results take time. Don't expect instant transformations. Requires consistent use over weeks to see noticeable improvements. Now let's talk about value for money. At its price point, the TheraFace PRO may seem like a luxury purchase, but if you're someone who values a multifunctional beauty device that can address various skin concerns, it might be worth the investment. The convenience of having a variety of treatments in one device, combined with the app-guided routines, certainly adds to its appeal. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are similar microcurrent devices that offer one or two features at a lower price point, though they might not have the same comprehensive treatment options. Product alternatives. If you're looking for a more affordable option, you could try devices like the NuFace Mini or the Foreo Bear, both of which focus on microcurrent therapy, though they lack the variety of treatments offered by TheraFace PRO. Build quality is solid. The device feels premium in hand, and the magnetic treatments click into place with ease. The materials used for construction seem durable, and the overall design is sleek and compact. The battery life is also impressive, with enough charge to get multiple uses before needing to recharge. I haven't had direct interaction with the brand's customer service, but TheraBody is known for its excellent reputation in the wellness tech space. They provide helpful tutorials both in the app and on their website, so even if you're new to microcurrent therapy, you'll feel confident using the device. Final verdict: if you're serious about investing in your skincare routine and are looking for a high-quality, versatile tool to target a range of skin concerns, the TheraFace PRO is a great choice. It combines multiple treatments into one compact device and delivers gradual, noticeable improvements in skin firmness and texture. However, if you're on a budget, or if you're someone looking for instant results, this might not be the best fit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase the TheraFace PRO in the description box. Have you tried this product? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.